Effectively, we want to kill Gavin.
But not too much.
More than one.
But like, take
No,
turns, you know?
you don't want to kill.
I will shoot your wife right now. Right in the head.
I want no part.
This week on Let's Roll, we are playing Cash and Guns, where a successful heist goes wrong when it's time to divvy the loot. At the start of each round, put 8 pieces of loot in the center of the table. Then decide whether you're going to bluff by using a click card or actually shoot your opponents with a bang card. But choose wisely because you only get 3 bang cards to use over the course of the game. Each round, players will point their guns at somebody else at the table. If you find too many guns pointed at you, you may want to duck out to avoid being shot. Staying in is the only way to participate in gathering loot at the end of the round, but it also means that you can get shot. Get shot 3 times and you're permanently out of the game. At the end of each round, the remaining players will take turns nabbing their share of the loot. Once 8 rounds have been played, the game is over, and the player with the most amount of money wins. And that should be everything you need to know, so let's go ahead and roll on into it.
Welcome to Cash and Guns. This is where we're gonna shoot each other and steal money and get. Hey, watch what you're pointing at now. You gotta be careful, all right? I'm playing. Don't point that at my.
What you know about it?
Boom! You're pointing that right at my gabagool down there.
Bang,
All right, Soprano.
I'm playing as Luca. I'm Luca, so that's me, and I'm the Unbreakable, so I'm eliminated on my 5th wound instead of my 3rd.
Okay, great. Are we reading that out now?
Yeah, should we not? He said everyone should know.
Okay, all right.
Wait, who are you?
Thanks for being open about it. I am Nikita, and all I know is there's a femme Nikita, so I chose that name. All right, my power is the kid. This player chooses a target after all the other players during the holdup, so y'all are gonna point at each other, and then I'm gonna choose.
You get to go
afterwards.
last. We all do it at the same time, except you.
Well, I'm Pedro, obviously. I'm a Mexican nightclub owner in London.
Oh, nice.
Okay.
And
Whole backstory.
I have probably the best card that I could have asked for.
What's that?
If you take more than 1 wound during a turn, you take none instead.
Oh, that's really good.
That's
So
All right.
you would have killed him instantly.
That's an
Yeah.
awesome
He won't die at all.
I'm still gonna shoot.
Damn it.
Here's what we do. Here's what we do.
You take turns.
Yeah, we designate each turn someone to shoot Gavin.
All right, well, let's calm down.
Good.
Matt, what do you got?
Okay. I'm Mr. Black.
Just,
I'm ready. I'm
you're
the
supposed
good.
to do a voice.
The good. Oh, I'm a good friend. When a player uses a clip, I also get a bang card. So if you guys reload, I get more ammo.
Nice.
Oh shit.
Oh, that's a card, right? Reload.
Yes.
Yeah.
I was saying, Mr. Black didn't want a life of crime. He
No.
doesn't want to be here.
Because he wound up in.
Yeah, he's like a
It's
real
okay.
Walter White.
He's not
Yes.
sure what's with
He
All right.
becomes
Oh yeah, what's
Yeah.
up, cuz? You know, I'm Deacon, bro. Uncle Vulture.
Get a big nose.
Yeah,
And a
it's
big
kind
gun.
of big, but it's from my uncle way back.
Look at that
Anyways,
back.
when a player is eliminated, you can randomly take 2 of their loot cards. So like, if you die, I'm gonna steal some stuff.
Okay.
I'm yo, you grave robber. No honor.
I got my card sucks. If I'm present for the loot split, I can take a $5,000 bill if it's there.
Wow.
Yeah, it's a real turn.
Yeah.
So
In
if I-
addition,
yeah, it's like before anything, I snatch it.
Congrats.
But you have to make it that
Chump
far.
change. Chump
Okay.
change.
all right. you
But
can take-
I am
Or Yoko.
the godfather for I'm Yo!
Yoko. Sorry.
Hey, forget about it. I'm the godfather first, being the resident oldie. Oldie moldy.
More like
all right. Well, it's time to see the loot. Then.
So, yeah.
Let's
someone
check out
who's
this
not
here
me.
loot.
Throw down that
Deal out the
Oh,
loot.
10
I
grand.
got the little
Oh,
cheat
shit,
sheet
small.
here.
Ooh,
Watch
5
where,
grand.
okay,
George
when I make it to
Washington
the
on the
end, I'm
5
gonna
for
snatch.
Oh, reload.
Okay, give me that.
Nobody
big
take
money.
it, because then Matt gets
There's a
stuff
ring
and
right
money.
there. We got
Someone's
more
gonna
of these
take
old
it.
bins.
Drop like a
and then
torch.
there you
Grandma
go.
has to take it. You're right. That's absolutely correct.
That's
that
it.
ring's a piece of shit. No, now you put the
then
desk
in
in
the
there.
desk.
goes
So
right
then
there.
whoever gets that,
You
the
can
godfather
shoot,
next
you're the
round.
If you want to be the godfather.
Yeah, but you're skipping out on the
all right.
cash.
All right. So now
All right, so now loot phase done. Choice of bullet card.
I'm
So
gonna
you
take
pick
this
you
one
put it
on
face
top
down.
here.
He shuffled this guy's
Yeah, he
game pure
did.
random.
He's
I
pulling
shuffled
real-
my deck and
real
I'm
mean
choosing
now.
Now
this
remember,
bullet.
effectively, we want to kill Gavin.
But not
bro.
too much.
More than one.
But like,
And
take
No.
turns. You know.
You don't want
I
to kill.
will shoot your wife right now. Right in the
I want
head.
no part of this.
I want no part.
Go
Pretty extreme.
for
Love
it.
triangles.
All right.
and
But
tens.
remember, even if there's multiple people pointing at him, the odds are going to be some blanks.
It's not a lot. The best is 10 grand or another bullet,
It's
which I don't
not
even
too
know if
much,
I'm
it's
using
not too
one.
much.
You don't know.
There might be a bullet in here. All right, now what? Point?
Okay.
What's going on?
Oh, my desk, it's
Going
flying
down.
out of control here. Everybody got their card down? All right.
Yeah, bro.
I spun it around. I can't see the rules. All right, now's the hold up. So we count down and then point at the same time?
Yep.
And then Lindsay gets to wait and go
Yeah.
after that, though. So I feel like,
Count it down. Stop, bro. Stop looking at like me like that.
All right. 3, 2, 1. Point!
1.
Oh, you better stand down there. Neither of us know what's in this.
All right. Okay. Hold your shot.
You don't know what's
Hold
in
your
yours?
shot.
Oh no, hang on here. Wait a minute.
Hey,
bro.
Hey, nobody's pointing at the Godfather.
Yeah, so
okay.
wait,
It's respect the Godfather.
How am I gonna do that?
Because we don't know what this thing could do.
Yeah, but if I tell someone to move, they're gonna point it at me. Do I have to? I have to move
don't
someone?
have to move
I don't
someone.
have to. I kind of like where this is at.
Well,
No one's pointing at me.
Right,
If
once
I
Lindsay
tell him
goes,
to move, he's
no,
gonna
no.
point it at me. I'm
You gotta shake
yo.
your hands. I don't
here's the
think
thing.
it's gonna
I got 2 guns aimed at me. It's the
Oh,
problem.
you
does that
do?
mean?
Yeah, but I'm just gonna get one aimed at me. You don't know that they're hits.
Yeah, bro.
You don't know that they're hits.
I know this motherfucker.
No,
he's
that
trying
guy
to pop
definitely
off,
has a
like,
bullet
right
in his.
now.
I know for a
don't know
fact.
anything
I don't
about
know.
me.
You don't know if
Because
Alright.
he knows that he can get more from.
All right, you know
other
what?
people.
You raise a good point. I expect some loyalty in the future.
You have
for
my
this.
utmost loyalty.
Oh, this
Oh,
nigga
you're a
is
man of
bullshit,
crime.
Nah.
So you
Godfather's
taking a pop up?
privilege. Matt, move your gun.
All right.
Okay.
Oh.
I owe you a lot. I owe you a lot.
I'm only doing this because
Now
I.
this guy also has a bullet in
It's
there, but
blank
at least I'll
gun.
only take one
He's
wound.
definitely got a bullet.
He's definitely got a bullet. I wouldn't be
Alright,
surprised if everyone doesn't have a
Phase
bullet.
5 courage, though. Now you decide whether you want to stay in or you want to hit the deck. If you hit the deck, you don't get shot, but you don't get no loot at all.
I'll stay in.
Okay, well then hang on. You wait.
Fredo's in a rough spot.
Okay.
You should
All right.
have
I
got.
died. This
I'm gonna
It's
count
not
it down.
worth it. It's not worth it.
Godfather's
Stuck
gonna
out.
count it
It's not worth
down
it.
now. 3, 2, 1. Banzai! Wow, ain't
We're
no
all here.
cowards here.
We all
got
know.
2
Alright.
guns aimed at
It's
you.
time to
I'm gonna take
reveal
the mask
the
out,
card
you know what I'm saying?
effects. Flip your cards.
I'm trying to die out here.
Oh, I killed Matt apparently.
Bang! Bang!
Ah!
Oh!
Oh, you missed! Because it was a blank. You
It was
didn't
a
miss.
blank.
Bam!
How dare you?
Bam!
I was gonna shoot you with a blank.
Also, he's my boy-in-law. I
Stop
mean, that's
it!
messy.
Stop it! Kill
That's
that
messy.
man. Matt and Fredo get a hit,
Damn,
but
bro.
then everybody gets to take. How does that order of the take
Do we
go?
get to collect? Because we got shot.
Godfather goes
Oh, wait.
first, right?
No, we're
Oh, you're
out.
out. That's
We're
what
out.
I said. You're out. You don't
I'm
get
sorry.
nothing. That's what I
None of
meant.
this cheap loot.
What order does it go in?
So starting with
That's how you
Godfather
count it.
and then clockwise.
Oh well, Godfather gets to go twice because I'll grab my $5 grand as the cute.
There you go.
Take that. And then I wish a 20 was out. there.
Measly $5 grand.
Yo!
That's weird having a gun in your hat like that. Is
I play it rough,
that fashionable?
fast and loose.
I'll pick the desk again, motherfucker.
Safety
Do
isn't
it.
even
Do you
on.
want to die?
I would love
You
it.
want to die?
Yeah.
Fuck no.
So now it's my turn.
Oh,
Now
that's
your
good.
turn.
Now I'll be honest. I kind of want to take the reload, and I just want to keep blasting.
Do it. What does Matt get if you take that?
Does Matt get his reload
Does
as
he
well?
get it?
Yeah, but he
He's
doesn't. He's
one
not
as well.
missing any
Even though
bullets.
he's out?
Do I
Even though
have
he's
to?
out, yeah.
Yeah, but he's not missing any
Do I
bullets.
get
though.
to add an extra bullet?
He just adds a bullet.
Oh,
that's-
oh no, fuck
I mean,
that.
but the
So
point
I
is
need
someone's
another
gonna get
bullet,
it though.
though.
Someone has to take that. So he's getting it no matter what. The question is, do you want it?
Well, that's a lot of bullets, and I shot him last time. He's gonna go.
Yeah, you fucked up.
I'm just saying, he's gonna still get it. If you take it or not, someone
Oh,
else is gonna
no,
get
you
it.
know what?
You go until it's gone.
Taking the desk.
Oh!
You asshole.
Because Matt is a vengeful bastard.
I'm just gonna stick with an old biddy.
I'm glad
I
you
like
took
her.
that and not
I
like,
like the old
1,000
bit.
for
No, I
some
wanna
odd
stay the
reason.
hell
Yeah, but they might add up at the end.
I thought about
They
it.
won't.
The diamond long
It's
play.
shit.
Yeah.
But,
Alright.
but look at her.
It's shit.
Yeah, she got finesse.
That's risky
10
business.
fats.
10
Oh, back to me.
This is Mother from Futurama.
Yeah, it's more.
All right, that. Oh, and we just keep going until they're all gone.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Someone's
Oh,
getting
that's
it.
a good
That's what
point.
I kept saying.
Oh.
Really trying to drill in there.
Yeah, didn't realize it. I literally thought everyone just took their thing and then it went away.
because that's the advantage of being
Hey,
in the
Mr.
loop.
Black, bro, we really
All
missed
right,
out on
fuck
this
it.
loot.
There it
There
is.
it is.
Lock and load.
Are there like extra bank cards somewhere?
Well, we discarded 2. They're all supposed to be discarded, so just go ahead and take from the middle.
Oh, what if they weren't?
Thank you.
I got some extras.
Oh, okay. It's not limited to the cards.
No.
Got it. Like Monopoly, where you ain't no houses, you fuck.
Yeah,
Take
damn.
diamond.
All right, back up to 3.
Gav?
All right. Okay.
Yeah, Schwab.
That's good. That's good.
That's
need
good,
one as
that's
well.
good.
Beautiful.
Hey,
to
throw some
kill.
more.
See, I don't like how he's getting so
All right,
many.
so you got the desk.
Eventually, that's all I have.
Down.
And see that money, bro.
I'll take care of the loot. What did you do? Okay, here we go.
Just go
Okay,
ahead.
okay.
Matt, that card has made you a real target.
Yeah, I know.
10K, okay.
Look at that.
20 J!
I might be a
That's a lot.
collector of the fine arts in a second, you know what I'm saying, bro?
I mean, if I live, I don't
There's
suspect
a lot of money on the table here. A
Do
lot of
not
money.
suspect
Lot of
that
money.
I will
Yeah,
survive
like
this round.
that. Yeah, I'm gonna put a bullet in this
Why?
motherfucker's face right
Why? I did nothing to you.
How dare. And you're eliminated on your 5th wound, not 3rd.
I gotta
Yeah,
take
dude,
5
he's
hits.
tough as nails.
Alright, everybody. Ready?
Excuse me.
Everyone got that card down?
Ready to not
Gavin,
kill
you got your
Jeremy?
click ready?
Oh, I was never going to. Don't worry.
Oh boy.
You'll be fine.
Let's see.
I'm just gonna do one of these.
I got a pick.
Here Jeremy goes, trying to
Random it
beautiful
is.
mind the shell this
Random
game.
it is.
Well, yeah, you gotta piece it all together. You gotta piece everything together. Oh boy.
Yeah, bro, you better save that bullet for me, cause I'm coming for you right now.
Shut up. That's Pedro.
You are deacon.
That's Pedro.
Pedro.
Oh, Pedro.
Pedro.
say.
Sorry,
bro, you
Pedro.
know, this fucking gangster ass leader
So he's
that you got
Emperor?
right here. Just cholo.
Okay.
That is a very
So now I
short
count
answer.
down.
You're not wrong.
Then you go last.
Yeah.
Okay.
You get to go
Okay,
last again.
yeah.
That's a point.
All right.
That's a point.
3, 2, 1, point.
Damn, bro, we knew it'd end up this way.
I got 2 guns.
He's got
If it
two
isn't
on
my
it.
cousin Pedro, bro, you coming after the family?
All right. So.
Oh, and now I tell
so-
someone. Now I tell Matt to not point at me.
Well, you can tell Matt to not point at you again, but you don't know about blanks. Also,
Matt, don't point at me.
Gavin's got 2 on him. Okay.
How many's Gavin? I want 2.
Gavin's got 2 on him right now.
They're both
Why would you
bangs.
dare shoot at me?
You're an easy target.
Mr. Black's fucking crazy. Don't do that.
Mr. Black's really white. It's all bullshit.
Right? You put it right
That's
on the
fucking
side.
crazy.
You and your friends are
All right. You and your friends are dead. All right.
'cause
all
your
right.
team instincts.
So I'm gonna do a countdown. You either knock over your person or you say bonsai. All right.
I got too many
Think
people
about it.
shooting at
Think
me.
about it.
Pedro.
All right. 3, 2, 1. Bonsai! Jesus Christ.
We're all in this
Should've
together.
All the motherfuckers in here.
All right.
We're all in this.
Reveal what you've done.
Click.
Oh, man.
Matt banged.
Click.
Matt
Click.
Bang.
I shoot.
I knew he was gonna try to kill
Oh, you
me.
can
Matt the
trust
only
I
one
don't
that
shoot
shot?
blanks, please.
So you shot?
I did.
Yeah, so
Wait,
Lindsay
did
got
you
shot.
popped?
Did
Lindsay
you
got
blank or shot?
I blanked.
Everyone
Remember,
blanked
I know,
except
he
Matt.
spared Matt.
Jeremy did this to you.
Damn. All right, this
Nah,
is
they're
out.
trying to take a
He
motherfucker
knew what
out.
was coming.
So Jeremy was about to get shot.
He was
Yeah.
going to.
Yeah, I know, and I'm probably gonna take the desk again, just so Matt can't shoot me.
I mean,
Just so you keep
I mean, if 2 people
Matt's
point at
anger.
you can't stop that. But again, there could be clicks. This guy's loaded with bullets.
I still
Alright,
have some
let's go,
clicks
rack
too.
'em
All
up.
right, your pick,
Your
Godfather.
first shot
you
was
pick first.
gonna be a click.
What was it, that
You
desk?
shot me.
The desk, that cash.
Now the desk will protect me,
Yep.
but
Oh,
Hey, you're in it to win it, right? You want to get paid.
gotta get paid.
gotta get that money.
All right, you're dead.
Could
Yeah.
this be?
Explain the painting again.
The more paintings
more
you
you
get, the higher the
collect,
value.
It's worth crap
So
until you get a
3
bunch.
paintings like 30K.
The
5
guy-
paintings 100K.
But same with diamonds. Somebody else could just snatch them, and then you're screwed. Unless you're Fredo, because Fredo can take shit.
Hey, one of y'all motherfuckers dropped.
Oh, the
Woo!
desk.
Oh, big boss man.
The
G.
desk.
G.
Got me in the
Money.
move.
I'll take a little art.
It's a man of
Oh,
fine arts.
yeah,
the
fine
art
arts.
collection begins.
Yeah.
Now you want to start your diamond empire or just take money?
Yeah, but she go out to the diamond.
Yeah, we're starting our.
They've only just
This over
started.
here.
You'll be tied.
Oh,
You
diamond.
got 6 rounds left. What are you an idiot?
Yeah.
Give me that.
Yeah.
Give me that. What am I stupid? Give me that. Grand.
Yeah.
Damn. I'll take the
Yeah.
10
Fuck
grand as
diamond.
well.
Not going for that diamond game.
Gavin?
Oh, man, I
Oh,
can't-
add,
saw
you
Lindsay
can add to
wanna
his
go.
diamond empire.
I thought
Cheesed
no
out
one
of
else saw
this.
that.
I
I
get
went,
He
cheesed out of
didn't.
this.
That's all Lindsay got.
Oh.
Well, you either get
It's 10
one of you is
grand.
about to start your Start your diamond empire.
I mean, it's only
I'm gonna
5.
play the long game.
Okay, he's got paintings and diamonds.
Here's the thing. Against the 5 grand, probably the good choice.
Yeah.
10, I don't know. I don't know. Who's to say?
And you can buy a lot for
That
5
was
grand.
Can, it's true.
Nice little rims, bro.
How much Taco Bell can you get for
I'm
Think
like
about
a
it.
whole year's worth.
I'm
No,
fine.
look, you're talking ain't nothing
That's
but a
fine.
bug fetty.
We still make money.
So many
Exactly.
Baja Blasts.
Right, guys. You know?
All right,
S
Godfather.
card.
What?
Hoo-wah, indeed.
Nah, show me some big monies.
Wow.
That's
Oh,
not-
there's
no,
the
that's
5.
not
Wow.
easy.
That's not it. Whoa.
What happened?
You all right there?
Was there a 5G last time?
Yeah.
Oh, you didn't use your
I should have
ability.
taken it and I forgot. Fuck it. I
Yeah.
forgot.
Oh man.
I missed out on 5G.
You forgot you're the
man,
the
bro.
guy.
The cute. Yeah.
Like you cute.
Fuck!
Oh, another
It
painting.
hit me like a stack
Oh.
of dicks.
Oh, another fat 20. Another painting. It's the Mona Lisa.
Oh,
my God, the
There's
art
a
collection.
fucking gallery up in
Art
this bitch.
place, bro?
Oh man.
Oh, I missed that 5G.
So what?
Like a
That will
fucking
give
fool.
Matt a lot, man.
Dang, cuz it's
12
like art
grand.
class all over again.
I'm gonna have 12 shit.
No way.
I'm going back to this system. Last
Did
time
you
I
pick-
looked, because I didn't want to fire a bullet at Gavin because I wanted him to think that there were 2 on him and get all cozy, comfy. All right,
He did get cozy. Company.
this one is a mystery to me, a total mystery. I feel like Matt's gonna try to shoot me again.
You don't know that.
Don't know that.
Come on, cuz.
Now, Christ,
What's happening?
there's no gun safety
Okay.
over there.
What happened?
I'm gonna point this,
go,
and I want
Father.
people to know that
Go.
chances are good that it's empty. We just don't know.
I'm gonna
Playing a
point
bit
this.
Russian roulette.
No way of knowing.
That's
Well,
how I
point
like
this
to
at
play. I might
Jeremy.
just point it at myself.
Chances are I'm gonna blow his head off.
Luca.
You're gonna shoot me?
Calm
No.
down.
All right.
Come
That's,
on, man.
I mean,
Let's go,
seems
Luka.
seems a bit harsh.
Let's just hang
Loco
out, man.
Luca
You know what I'm
over
saying?
I'm just Luca.
Wound for wound, kind of. I'm trying to be like 50 Cent out here,
Anytime
like, shot
you
like
step
8
in,
times.
Godfather.
Yeah, Godfather.
Everyone got their cards down?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I make meatballs to
Please.
die
All right. Ready for the countdown?
for. Yeah.
What do we do on 3?
Yeah.
1, 2.
3!
Wait, who you pointing at, Michael? Who you pointing at? Who you pointing
I
at?
get mad.
Okay.
Look.
Now you can tell someone to point somewhere else.
And he will.
Now there's 2 on you, and you don't know what's in mine.
Oh my.
You should use that point somewhere else on yourself, and then point at someone else, because you're about to make the biggest mistake in your life. Pet.
Or,
That's not a bad idea if you both have bullets.
Oh.
alternately,
You're frying some empanadas.
make him
Your ass
look
can't
somewhere
catch.
else.
Fucking listen to this
Here's about
rube.
Mr. Black.
This rube.
Hey, Lindsay.
Yeah.
Point somewhere else.
Point at Matt. Point at Matt. Kill him. Kill Matt. Make him die. Kill him. Kill him, Matt.
I don't know, but the long game of the day.
Oh shit!
Go back out of this round.
Are you
There's a lot
about
of
to shoot
paintings that are
me?
taken from you.
Done.
A lot of
Because I don't know.
paintings.
I don't know if I'm gonna shoot you. I'll be honest.
Mr. Black finna die.
There's a lot of people about to get shot.
All right, now. All right, but it's the.
Oh, we can tip
You,
our
you can
characters.
tip out, Matt.
Yeah.
Mom,
You're all a bunch of dicks.
All right,
What's the
you do the
chances?
It
countdown.
wasn't so much
He
hard.
made it
I'm
happen.
sorry.
You're the type of people you can shoot at.
All right,
right.
do the countdown.
All right. On 3.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah, he's out.
He hit the
He
deck.
hit the deck.
Good.
That
Good
was a
job.
wise
Good
move.
job, Mr. Black.
You put it on 2?
All right,
God. I didn't even notice that.
just shoot me.
I would have taken 2, but not 3.
Do we reveal now?
We reveal. He shot me.
Shot.
I
You liked him.
And I was hoping
All 3 of you were gonna shoot at me.
Oh my God! You all used clicks.
You used, well, we used bangs.
Yeah.
Bangs. I mean, yeah.
Click is the other card.
So,
with Gavin's ability, if you got more than one bullet at him, he would have had no damage. So I was
Yeah.
banking on you not having a bullet, and then you didn't, but I had to move. So
Yeah,
it's
that's
like,
a shame. If he had moved me,
I didn't realize
You
Alfredo
could have
was
gone to
doing
anyone
that.
else.
I know.
I wouldn't have yelled mad if I
sorry.
noticed Alfredo was doing that.
No, it was good.
I moved the right push.
I
Okay, so-
also, I would have died
So
if you
you
had
do-
no
you were
bullet.
way to get out of there.
Matt and
Good
I
to
are
know.
out.
Gav, you go
So, Gav,
first.
you go
Well, actually,
first.
Michael goes first. I'm the cute. Give me my money. I remember this time.
All right, Matt. We don't get nothing this
I
time.
know.
Now
It
you
sucks
go.
ass.
Turd suck.
No, you're pointing at
Also
Jeremy.
known as
Careful.
Pedro.
I was.
There's that fat 20.
All right.
Oh, look at all
Bills.
Oh, art collection's starting up over there.
Okay.
Christ.
So you're about to get hit with 2 bullets?
I was about to get hit with 3.
3 bullets?
He would have been out of the game
Yeah.
if he didn't duck. Right, because 3 hits and you're
3
out.
would have died, unless I'm you.
I'm not big on the old money right now. I'm not bad, but I'm not.
Yeah.
The diamond.
Oh, the Diamond
She's trying to go
Queen
for the
coming
big
out to
60.
play.
They're a girl's
You
best
just
friend.
got it right now.
Oh, my turn?
Yeah.
Yeah, dude.
And my turn.
He's
Oh,
him
big tough guy, big tough guy over here.
Knocking over one desk with another.
again. Look at that, 12
Desk
grand.
on desk
Hey,
front.
you're doing a great job. Defend me, asshole.
There was very little I could do for you in that one. You were about to be
You know what?
He won't. Oh,
Jeez,
starting an art collection.
I mean, it's only 1,000.
it looks nice in there, like a goat.
Cheers.
It's art. All right, and then that's gonna be for you.
Oh, thank you.
There you go.
I'd start shuffling.
Don't
through.
spend that all in one
$1
place.
I'll take it. Click, click, click,
Oh,
click.
that's a
More
bullet.
bullets.
Bullet for him.
Yeah, not unless he gets a bullet in the head. 320 G's on them. Fuck it.
That still won't get to me in time.
Do this.
Dang
People
it.
get shot, it will.
I know,
People get shot.
but I don't know if I'm
He's
gonna be
dead
shooting
in a
him.
gutter.
Go load this bullet
Good.
right in, you know what I'm saying? Right there. Almost for
It
you.
smells like styrofoam.
Gotta be handy with the steel on your
For
keep.
you.
Thank you. Are you gonna shoot me?
Yeah.
That's a shame.
Everyone got cards down?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3,
4.
Okay, let's see what's happening.
Oh, this guy.
Yeah.
So once
Oh,
again, it
this
looks
guy.
I'm just gonna go ahead and make Lindsay point somewhere else.
like. Oh,
Smart.
sweet. Really?
Shoot Alfredo! Shoot this man! He's about to kill your husband!
I definitely will not
Oh
survive.
my god!
Wow.
Oh shit!
Just do it for me. It's a cat. I don't even.
I will not survive this round.
Right
I
next to
understand
me.
that.
Fuck
I'm
me,
hoping you have a
dude.
click in there.
You're too fucking rich.
I don't think you want to kill me.
And I don't get to keep any of it.
You can take a lot of hits.
I can take a lot of hits, so why waste it on me?
Sign that damn prenup. What, please?
See, the thing is, Matt is going to shoot me. Like, I know I'm out of the round.
Oh,
with
you
him.
know that?
Oh, 100% Matt's going to
Yeah,
shoot
He's
me.
got the extra bullets.
All right, I'm gonna count this
Yeah,
down.
let's go.
Yeah.
Let's go.
I'm gonna count it up.
Yes.
I mean,
Again, Matt,
Alright.
you'll probably be okay.
ready?
Pull
The trigger,
Ready?
bro. All good.
Yeah.
Oh, wait, hang on.
Oh, now we're good. Oh, good.
1, 2, 3.
Bonsai!
I'm dead.
I don't know what that is. You're probably fine.
Bonsai
Flip 'em.
cowards. You
Flip 'em.
cowards.
You kill me, Matt?
I shot you.
Yeah. I know.
Bang!
You're
Bang!
fine.
Bang!
Don't worry about it.
Bang!
Out of another round.
That was a click, Jeremy.
Is that a bang?
Yeah. On the 6
We're
shot
out.
you record.
We're out,
I'll be
Michael.
honest, it's just that you don't have any damage.
You
I
shot
have two now.
me, you
Oh, two, okay.
bitch!
Ow. The pain.
Don't have to resent.
Well, I could
I'm
probably
old,
just
man,
go ahead
it's
and
fine.
take that back.
Right.
You
See?
got nothing for
Yeah, you gotta get
yourself,
rid of this
dumbass. Nobody's
Reload that
really
in
got
there.
a lot of shots. It's all pretty.
All right, who
spread
loses
out.
first?
You.
I've got no cash. Yeah, there's.
Ooh, 20K looking
all that
mighty
money.
fine, bro.
Yeah, this is just safer.
Damn, bro. What's that?
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Oh yeah, I'm out.
Oh,
Ask me
Come here,
for
you.
30K.
Lincoln wannabe.
Oh,
Damn.
big tough
Power.
guy, big tough guy.
I don't want the power.
The power.
Do not
take
want.
one of these.
Oh, yeah. So Matt gets his bullet.
Yeah,
You get a
I will.
bullet.
I took a bullet.
me?
Alright.
Nah, not from me.
It'll height.
Not from
It'll height.
Okay.
This is pretty split up, honestly.
bad.
I think
I gotta start living.
either Gavi or Lindsay's winning here with the diamonds.
Doing okay with the
Yeah,
diamonds,
yeah,
right?
The
yeah.
money's
a lot
pretty
of money.
split.
Matt's gonna sweep it at the end. I
No,
know.
I'm not.
He doesn't have a lot of
He
money.
is.
The only way I'm gonna sleep is if I kill everyone and take their money.
Hey, before the next round, let's have a word from our sponsors. This episode of Let's Roll is brought to you by Omaha Steaks. Give the holiday gift that families across America have loved for over 100 years. Omaha Steaks. They're very tasty. They show up frozen, ready to thaw out and cook, so you can keep them for however long you need them. Right now, Omaha Steaks is sharing an amazing limited time holiday offer with our viewers to get a jump on your holiday shopping. Go to omahasteaks.com and enter the code ROLL, R-O-L-L, in the search bar to order the favorite gift package. The gift everyone will love for only $69.99. Order now, and here's what's in that package. 4 6-ounce bacon-wrapped filet mignons, which I've had, very, very good. 4 savory premium pork chops, 4 Omaha steak burgers, 4 perfectly browned potato au gratin, 4 made-from-scratch caramel apple tartlets, an Omaha Steaks signature seasoning packet, plus, only for our viewers, you can get a free 6-piece cutlery set and cutting board. So yeah, you can go ahead and do some preparation yourself there. Get some veggies going on the side, stuff like that. All this delicious food, plus the free cutlery set they'll enjoy for years to come, only for $69.99. Omaha Steaks are the most tender and most flavorful, and you can only get steaks of this quality from Omaha Steaks, America's original butcher. Don't wait, this offer ends soon. Go to omahasteaks.com, type roll into the search bar to order the gift everyone will love. Order the favorite gift package today. Omaha Steaks, they're super tasty. Hey, welcome back from a word from our sponsors. Let's get into the next round.
Ooh, that's a nice fucking house there.
How many paintings do you have, Alfredo?
Don't worry about it.
He's got
Too many.
Spread them out. Let them see. You fan that shit out. Ooh, we got some boo-boo Band-Aids. Oh, you want that.
That's pretty good.
I mean, that's
Unless
true.
I get ganged up
That's
on,
true.
I'm gonna
You
live.
might. You might.
I just don't have the money.
I forgot.
It's just to what kind of a life?
I forgot. You'd rather be dead.
I'd rather be dead than poor.
All right. Okay.
I gotta start surviving these
Let's
rounds.
see, what am
America.
I doing?
Hey, ain't gonna start with this right here for you, Luca.
You threaten me every round. I don't even know you.
Alfredo, you took everything from me. Jeremy, I don't even know who you are.
Yeah.
Bullets in the gun.
That's a bullet?
Don't know.
Shit, we already going?
It might be.
Oh fuck, hang on.
All right, bro, let's do this.
Alright. What's going on in there?
Nothing.
The world may never know.
All right, count it down there,
And we know who the real threat is now.
Godfather.
1, 2, 3.
That's. Ooh.
But if multiple people are banks, he's fine.
Do that?
But do
You
they?
don't know.
I'll be honest. I don't know what that is.
Fucking no.
Lindsay, Jeremy, and Michael are gonna shoot me.
I'm dead.
Love it.
Hey, Alfredo, point somewhere else.
Oh shit, bro.
Oh,
my
he
Godfather.
thinks that more than one person has a bullet on him.
Well,
He's probably right.
I mean,
but
it would really
saw
matter
where the
at that
gun
point.
went.
That's a real shame.
Oh boy.
all right.
You wouldn't shoot me.
Well, he's gonna.
Who'd you point at before?
Matt Bragg. That's probably.
Thank you.
You wouldn't shoot
I
you,
vote
but
for you again,
Somebody
Scott.
did.
I want you to shoot.
well.
I'm
All
sorry.
right, call it.
I hope I don't get 3 owies. Well, I get
Well, you
okay.
won't.
No, you
I
won
have
now.
two, yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Banzai!
I'm dead.
Are
Why?
we though?
Are you dead?
I know I'm dead.
Flip him.
Oh, you're fine, Alfredo.
Click.
But you killed me.
Click.
Yeah.
Bang. We not dead.
Bang.
Well, it wasn't meant for you.
Click. That's a click.
Bang.
No!
He's fine
I
though.
know.
Why did you do it?
I thought I
Hey,
could.
Larry, can you edit me like I Smith?
I'll take another hit and I miss another round.
I thought
Oh,
I thought you clicked him.
No, I banged. I
Oh,
banged all the
boy.
way.
I
I
expected
banged
a
too
click.
hard.
2 owies equals no owies.
A boom. Good
Damn
ability
it.
there. All right, let me scooch in my 5Gs.
that's a shame.
It is a real shame.
That's a damn shame.
Get your money, people. Get it. It'll be nice.
All
Wasn't
right.
meant for you, Luca.
So who got shot? Just you?
Yep.
All right, yeah, you take it.
Just me. The one with the least money. Got shot for some reason.
Oh,
motherfucker.
that's a smart man.
Jesus. Someone else take the fucking desk.
Yes. Yes.
Jesus.
We're close.
It's a good desk.
If we get more painting and you get it, you're
Uh,
fine.
Yeah, I mean, we're tied.
Oh no.
The desk didn't actually help me that round.
Yeah.
I
Jeremy.
think
though.
it was
It really killed me.
Bro.
Honestly, I was gonna take it, and he snatched
Take that
it.
desk now.
He
No,
snatched,
yeah.
he snatched the desk.
Skeeting
He
around over.
snatched that fucking.
You got it. I'm just gonna never duck out. You can shoot me now. Like,
I'm not gonna.
I'm just letting people know.
Whoa, whoa! Skipping my turn?
Oh, Lindsay
Oh,
already
there you
did
go.
that.
Yeah.
Chill the fuck out here.
Stop chatting.
I mean, I'm after Lindsay and Lindsay went.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm, nothing changed.
okay,
I'm
all
just
right,
saying,
good,
have some
okay.
fucking
Okay.
respect. Those diamonds.
Now, here's the question.
Diamonds.
Do I want to
Problem
live
is,
or not?
somebody else, she got 3 diamonds. The women, they love me. I'm going like
Diamonds. That's a lot of money.
Kiss it,
You
bitch.
got 1 bullet. He's
Hey,
taking that.
This motherfucker just healed.
You healed up.
1 shot. What a bitch. All
Yeah,
right.
I
There
figure
we
it
is.
is where I'm gonna die either way.
There we is.
All right.
This is a shit round. 5,000 diamonds.
He's got all the
That's a lot.
Fuck! My diamond!
Shit.
It's all shit.
It's all shit.
It's all down.
There's a bullet from
the
that,
shitter.
though. Well,
Is that random again?
totally random.
Let's start this hold up, man. On 3. 1, 2, 3. Ooh.
You bolt at him?
Yeah.
That's
Move me.
4 people on
All
the
right.
board, bro.
Oh, wait, no, move on the bus.
He's fine.
I got.
Oh, there's 4 on him? Oh,
Yeah.
crap.
Yeah.
We gotta move him to me as well.
Well, I like Lindsay went last after everyone and
Yeah,
still
yeah.
pointed at us.
Oh,
Now
yeah,
you got me like, no.
Jeremy,
Take this
move your gun. Move your gun, Lucas.
Who's that? Who is that?
I got to shoot.
Who
That's
you
Jeremy.
talking to?
Jeremy's
Jeremy,
Luca.
he's Luca.
Fucking shoot, man.
Learn the character names.
Shoot this ass.
I mean, he's not gonna die, and he doesn't have that much money.
No, I
That's
just
true,
want
I
you to
got, like,
shoot him 'cause
fucking
he's gonna
nothing.
shoot me.
He's
That's
gonna
all.
start.
I'm just being greedy.
Oh!
That's deserved.
It's deserved. It's deserved. A weird choice was made. It's probably a click.
Hey, courage round. All right, on
It's
hey,
probably
on
a
3.
click. You're probably fine.
We'll see.
1, 2, 3.
Oh,
shit. Oh shit.
out.
I'm gonna
Did.
take
Oh,
a
there's
hit now.
2 on Gav now.
I'm gonna take a hit
Dang
now.
It went from 4 to 2.
All right.
I need that 5,000 diamonds.
All right.
There's a reason I'm pointing this at you
Show
right
him.
now.
Lip him!
Click.
Click! He's safe again!
Gav's safe.
Boom. Little prick!
That's a bang.
you would've gotten hit.
All right. You didn't have to show that.
I hit
Michael.
the camera.
Yeah, Matt, you didn't have to show
He
that.
was gonna shoot me and I wasn't
No,
gonna
he
get the
didn't have to
20
show it.
G's.
All right. So you.
No,
I
you
think
don't
it's
have
both
to. You
ways.
don't have to show
If
it.
I duck, does who's pointing at me have to show?
No, neither do.
Oh, I don't care.
You made it!
You're
I made it. I lived around.
Yeah, I think it's
I
gonna
lived
happen.
around.
Zip.
I will lead the Diamond Crusade.
Oh!
Okay.
Okay.
I'm back in it.
Well,
Did
that
you already?
kinda
Oh, you're
fucking
out.
blows.
I ducked. I was gonna get shot by this prick.
Yeah.
Oh, there's the Godfather.
Yeah.
So we point
I'm
5
the
guns.
Godfather.
We put 5 guns on Mr.
The
Black.
fuck fighter. Cause he's fucking
I
ass.
think one of these is still bad, but I don't know which
Beautiful.
one.
How do you
bang.
have
Does it
three?
reload?
How do you have
Because
three?
I reloaded
Oh,
at one
okay.
point.
Okay. that
So I should remove a click from
There you
this.
go.
It takes.
There's only 2 rounds left, or there's 3
Did you take
rounds?
one?
Luca.
There's 2, right?
Everyone seems to have 3.
Hey, I have 3 left.
No, I
I
have
got-
2.
I also have 2. I think people are fucking up.
Well,
I
people
have
got
two.
Godfather.
I mean, you started with like 7 cards.
Start with
8 cards.
I was 3
So-
Godfather rounds.
I was 1.
If people
were-
didn't
I was one.
discard,
And you were 1.
You were
When they
1,
were-
1, 1, 3. That's 6.
6.
So there
Okay.
should
So
be
we should
2
have 2
left.
left.
So you fucked up.
Somehow.
You have fucked up.
Oh, I didn't fuck up because I reloaded it.
You
I was
reloaded.
reloaded.
Yeah,
Okay.
I can't tell because I get
Goodbye.
a gun every time someone else does.
Cool.
So.
I'm
yeah,
glad you
the
chose her.
reloads you were supposed to discard when you got them, so you still had 8 cards. So
But did you discard a click or a bang?
Exactly.
I mean, I just went like this, and when I guess I'll just give this one. I don't know what's left. I've been trying.
Oh,
to
you're supposed to
very
discard
cloudy
when you
way to
reload.
keep
Here, I'll
using
Well,
discard.
also,
Yeah,
count
well
how
done.
many times you've banged.
3. So
You banged 3 times?
have
So you got
nothing
clicks.
left.
yeah. So this is a fact.
Not
Good
to
to
announce
know.
it, but she got
Yeah,
to fuck
no.
herself there. So
No,
you have
that's
to.
enough.
That's true.
Okay,
Well,
so
it's kind of like,
who's taking the rest of this loot?
Jeremy's next.
I am next? Oh,
This
oh yeah.
guy's
I guess
dead.
I'll take
I'm not
this.
dead. I ducked. I'm not dead.
Oh, that's true. You
I
died.
died.
That's true.
Don't
Yeah.
exaggerate.
Yeah, but you
Yeah.
dodged so
I
good.
blasted
You look
And
like
then
you
Alfredo
did
gets that.
All over the face.
Next round. Matt is
Godfather,
the.
back up.
2 rounds.
I'm the Godfather.
Ooh, that would change things up.
Yeah. Wow!
Whoa!
Oof.
Not this-
Dude, I didn't even know they were.
Oh, sorry. Not this. Don't forget that.
So going for one diamond is kind of lousy.
It's pretty lousy.
Yeah.
Is it the most? Is it like the number of diamond cards that you have?
Number of cards.
Okay, so
Okay,
it's
that's
cards,
what I
not
thought.
value.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Oh.
The brigade.
Yeah.
Gone.
Oh,
To
then why the hell did I take that?
I have no idea.
Whew,
He
I
made
thought-
it was very clear.
I thought you were being nice and taking it away so that
Who has
Gavin
the
could
most
get it
has
because
to
he
I
has
say
a lot of
literally kept saying
like, thanks,
Lindsay's
Mom.
got 60 grand right now because she's got 3.
Oh.
I misunderstood.
Are we all ready?
Godfather, Matt?
Yeah.
Matt Father?
It's the Mad Father. You know, are you ready?
I'm ready.
3,
Which
Boy.
card is yours, by the way?
2,
You get
that
here.
one.
Okay.
1. Aim.
Again with this guy. He's fucking shooting my ass.
You,
Gavin
you
just
aiming
wants
at
to be
me?
dead.
I'm aiming at
man.
you.
No, you're not.
The one
Okay.
that's
I don't know.
You're aiming
So
at
I got-
someone else.
I'm moving my
motherfucker.
gun, and you're pointing at
Fucking
Gavin,
Don't point at him.
and you're pointing at Matt.
No, at the same time, I probably should have moved you. But you're
It's
random.
interesting. That was interesting.
You could
And you're the only
you
one
could move
pointing
Michael
at
like
him.
that time I saved you.
Fredo's face!
I could, but doing the math, even if he is random, he's probably gonna
Alfredo.
hit me.
No, no, no.
You shot me that one time.
No, no, no.
This
All
might
right.
not be bad, though.
Yo!
Dig in the hole.
Might not be bad.
Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Bye-bye!
Damn.
To try.
I've definitely lived.
Flip 'em.
I'm so fucked. I'm gonna get blasted right now.
Oh, Matt shot. Alfredo shot.
I clicked you.
Gavin shot.
I got this cunt!
Wow! And
Why
you
do
win?
people die?
Good. He was. That's a
Well,
Money.
I'm gonna take
You
my
get-
owie.
You get your 5,000 first, and you go first.
Yeah.
Excellent.
Are they both shot?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Michael, I have a question.
What's up?
What?
Because you've been like untouchable this whole game.
It's true.
That's
you're
the only
alive?
reason I didn't
I am.
save you because you weren't
Amazingly.
hurt.
I thought I'd surely
it's
be
gotta be a
dead.
bill. I can't take a diamond. It states clearly.
But then you also go.
But then I go
Damn,
in and I'll
I'm
take a
fucked.
20G.
You got shot, right? Yeah. I was looking.
Nope, nope, I'm alive.
Oh, okay. All right.
I'm just deciding if I want the 20 or if I want to keep going on this
Dodge,
nonsense.
dodge,
But
dodge.
I mean, even if I take that, she's gonna take the next one.
True.
There's only one round left, unless I get shot twice.
Even then, cash out now. Right? Like get the money now.
Yeah, get the money
There.
now. Just get it off the table.
Got this. That's fucking valuable.
Yeah.
Oh,
she's
now
got
back to
10,
you.
60
Back to you.
right
Back
there.
to me? This guy? Right
Yeah.
here? Shit.
Yeah, Gav's got a lot. He's got 4 20,000.
Gavin and Lindsay are top contenders here.
You know what?
Gav's got the money, Lindsay got the diamond.
Let's
Right?
make
He's
it
got pay.
interesting.
He doesn't have that.
Oh shit.
Oh,
Oh,
shit!
Give me the desk.
There you go, Mr.
Luca's
Luca.
gonna end the game behind the desk. Dead? Maybe.
Damn.
So many.
The Diamond Queen.
Oh, it's back to you
I
again.
got one for each finger now.
Back to you again.
It's my turn
Hey, take
again.
the 10
Are
grand.
you
Come on.
Shit, well, yeah.
Yeah, I'll take this.
Yeah.
Told
You ain't gonna die now.
Ain't gonna die.
You're
Like,
definitely
I mean,
gonna
I'll be
get
out.
shot.
Like,
You
I'll be
won't get
shot.
shot, but you won't die.
It's getting
Okay.
All
awfully
right.
hot in here.
right.
Oh lord.
Do you have the papers?
Jesus
yeah.
H. Christ.
Oh.
City,
Look at all
paint
the
the town. They were
That's not
all-
great.
Yes.
Except for
This
him.
mofo.
Oh, I'm dead.
That's true.
So
true.
if he gets 2 of them,
I'm dead. Don't worry
Shoot this
about it.
man.
that's
That's all I'm
100,000.
saying.
There's nothing great there.
There really isn't. It's just a 10 or take a painting from this fuck. She's got the diamond. She literally can't not get the diamond,
Unless
but
she
she
gets
can
shot.
die.
She can't die.
You have 1 hit or 2?
I think she's got 2. I think it's under the diamond.
Yeah, let's not hide
Sorry.
that bandage.
Unintentional,
lady.
I promise.
Oh.
And I physically can't die.
No, you cannot.
But you
You're
can be
fine.
out this round.
I could be.
All right.
That's true. Listen to this. It's one of them,
Oops.
but he can't be killed. So one of these two needs to die. Or both.
Of those? Or them?
These. He
Yeah.
can't die.
Why
Good
me?
point, good
He's
point.
gonna
I'm not
scoop
talking to
up
you.
all
All
the
right.
Nothing. You're
Shit, I
insignificant.
know. It's
All right.
He's
Call
trying
it
to-
good.
All right,
He's trying
point
to-
your guns.
But
in.
also,
Matt's got paintings too.
I've
Yeah,
only
nobody
got
cares.
2
Nobody
paintings.
That's supposed to
We
be.
It'd be a shitty museum at
He's got
Wait,
best.
wait,
nothing
wait,
else.
wait. We didn't do Bonze round yet, right? That's after we played.
nobody cares.
No one cares because it's a click. All right.
I care. A lot.
All right. 3, 2, 1, point. All right.
Oh,
He's
shit.
pointing at himself because it's a click, definitely. Now here's the thing. And you're pointing at Michael. You're pointing at Fredo. You're pointing at yourself.
Here's the thing. You owe me.
I'll
take
you
myself
owe me
out.
one.
I owe.
Oh shit.
I
Alfredo
owe.
means it.
Can
though.
you put
I'll take myself out.
Alfredo means
How many
it.
times has he shot?
He's got one for sure.
Oh.
I don't know. I don't think he has another bang.
I don't know. I don't friggin' know.
So I'm gonna tell someone
All right.
to move their gun. So the person who can change theirs, because I don't want to get shot, but I'm gonna let Michael change his.
Lindsay.
Do it. Fucking do it.
Look at it.
Just to be clear, you're
my
shooting
God.
at Gavin. It's not going to curve and hit me at any
Oh
point.
God.
All right.
Team.
Cool.
This is interesting. All right, so
not my
we do
kids,
the
I love
countdown to
them, bro.
bonsai. Countdown to bonsai. All right, 3, 2, 1. Bonsai! All right.
He
Yeah.
died.
You shot yourself. You had a bang and killed yourself.
Fred.
Can you do that?
But wait. So
No,
he's
he can't
dead
do
as
that.
shit.
I thought you had a click.
Nope, he had a bang. He killed himself.
can't do that.
Well, Matt killed him as well.
Yeah, I shot him
A
too.
lot of people killed him, but he didn't shoot somebody else.
Well, that's just a waste.
Okay, well, what if he gets hit and with his dying swing of the arm, he gets another one off at whoever he wants
Well,
right now?
now he knows, though.
Yeah.
It's too late. You've ruined it. You've ruined it for everyone. Okay? I fucked myself by forgetting
Alfredo won the long
5,000.
game.
You've ruined this game.
What did you two do?
I had a miss. I had a click.
I did not kill him.
Ah, I told you he had one! I told you!
Well, if I
you
moved
said
my-
you'd get me back, but you didn't.
I was trying to keep track.
I can't believe you had a click. That blew my mind.
You did it.
I was trying to keep it. I was trying to keep track. I thought he had a click.
I'm sorry, boy.
did me
I was gonna move mine to Lindsay.
me.
I saw you do this. I was like, you motherfucker.
Because then she wouldn't get the 60,000.
I was trying to.
No one shot her.
If he had pointed at me, I was gonna stay out of the round.
Three
I
people.
still think Gavin.
I was trying
Yeah.
to get you
All right,
to
let's
help
all right.
me shoot at
Well,
her.
not yet, but get the money.
Three
Yeah,
people
yeah.
killed Alfredo, including Alfredo.
Who was desk first?
Me.
You desk. You choose. He's dead, so paintings are a wash.
Yeah,
This
go ahead,
guy's gonna
Luca.
go for paintings. This
Paintings,
guy's
of
gonna
course,
go
you
for
got
the
it.
cash. And she's gonna grab
Oh,
what?
it's the scream.
That did not work out in my
Macaulay
favor.
Culkin.
Let this man kill me.
There,
I tried to tell you he had a bullet.
there wasn't much. I really thought he had a click, and I was trying to get Lindsay out,
I ain't.
but
had
there just
nothing.
was not enough.
I just like it.
Why would you do that?
Because I want the diamonds.
But you already have the
Yeah, I know.
diamonds, and you could have taken a 10.
I know.
You
Yeah, I know.
just
Yeah.
that made no
Well,
sense at all.
Oh, that's a close one.
I like
That was stupid. I mean, I think Gavin's gonna win anyway, but if you lose by that
I don't know.
I think
difference,
that's gonna add up. Wow,
she
there's a
just
lot there.
lost 5,000.
I did.
For no reason.
Ooh, that's brutal for Matt if you take that.
Well,
I know you
I
he's
don't know why
still
you do it.
he's still gonna get one if he takes another one. That's 60,000.
All
So
those
he's gonna
paintings
have-
coming out at the end.
Matt's gonna have the same as the diamond.
There you go.
Well, like, you
Yeah.
do shit
Yeah.
now.
Well, I don't know.
I mean,
Why
it's
not take the
4,000
5
to
for no
5,000.
reason?
Shut up,
I'll
dead
take
man.
1,000
Yeah,
less
I'm dead.
to,
Shot.
You're a dick!
to hurt Matt's score.
That is a hurt
So
on
you're
that
the only
score.
dead guy.
Yeah, I'm not. Yeah, I took my
I got
A
shot.
bizarre move from you.
As the bullet went through Alfredo's head, he sent another one up through the shit.
Gavin!
Could have shot Gabs.
Or
Could have shot
Lindsay.
Lindsay.
I had a click if it wasn't.
No one
I would have
wanted
clicked
to.
it.
What?
What?
I would have just clicked.
What are you talking about?
Larry is flabbergasted.
I mean, I don't know
Yes.
what happened.
All right, well,
Did
it's
you
the end of the
reload? Why
game.
wouldn't you
Related.
use your bullets? Doesn't make any
During
sense.
the last round,
Yeah.
throw someone
I,
off.
this is almost a Lindsay level explanation.
Right.
Like, he didn't understand.
Because
the
it could have
game.
eliminated
Yes.
Lindsay
It's
or
almost like
kept
he didn't
Matt from getting more
understand the
art.
game,
Or
'cause that's-
Yeah.
So I could have eliminated Lindsay and taken 2 of her things, but I knew I was dead 100%.
But you
There's
still
no way.
would have taken her out.
He's just saying, like,
I'm dead
at that.
no matter
But
what.
you know what? At that point, it's not his problem. He's a dead guy.
Bizarre.
Yeah.
He's a dead guy.
And now if I
Bizarre
win,
No matter what.
What a
Bizarre
twist.
move.
What a twist if Lindsay
What a
wins.
So I guess we'll see what these bonuses add up to.
Yeah.
All right.
All right,
rather
so
see
Jeremy,
these two, you
Count it up, man.
I guess I'll go first.
I had to, Matt.
Yeah, you
You
go.
had the
I'll go
money
first.
right there.
I got a lot of cash. It ain't gonna win though, but I got 10.
It's between the two most vicious
20,
achievement hunter
25.
members.
I'm trying to see you guys
35,
count
45,
instead of just
45,
Gavin winning the
65,
game.
75, 85, 105, 4 grand, 109,000.
109,000. So I'm pretty sure you got me beat.
109. That's
I
71.
probably would have won if he didn't shoot me.
50, 55, 60, and then
You saved yourself for what?
72. I'm
For
out. Yeah.
nothing.
Nothing.
Yeah. You. took
I really
the
thought
money.
I thought I had counted Gavin properly. I thought he had it.
I knew he had one.
We're right. You were right.
I have 135,000.
Ah!
I'm not too big to ask
Actually-
because I've had a beer. Can you count this for me?
Okay.
If I kill Lizzie, then
Well, you got this too, right?
Yes, I do.
Eight. That's in there.
Now it's a competition.
23,
Yeah, I would have had 100,000.
33, 43, 53, 73, 123. What did you have?
73 plus 60 is going to be
Oh, 60, 133.
133.
What did you have?
135.
Wow.
That would
That
have.
was close.
Well, no, it
If
ended
that's
up
the
not.
case.
I don't think it ended up mattering anyway because
Well,
I don't
No,
think there
she
would have
took-
been one. She took one, but by the time
took
if
5,000 left.
if she
Yes.
had taken that 10 though, I don't think there would have been a 10 left. Like she got to take twice. She took a 5,000 first,
True.
then a 10. If
Oh,
she took
okay.
the 10, she only would have
It
been
would-
left with a 5 anyway. I'm pretty sure.
Good job,
I'm
guys.
what
pretty
did you
sure
get?
it
Damn.
didn't.
Well, oh,
Shockingly
except
for
at the
her.
end of
Damn.
that.
I know.
We were
I
pretty much
think,
exactly the
I
same.
think. I could be
See?
wrong.
There you go.
Can I
But
get someone else to
shockingly, I
count?
think she
Someone
actually
else?
did.
If I
fuck
moved
her.
Gavin, you would have won. I'm sorry.
Probably, because I would have had more and you would have had less. It depends how that last round would have shaken out.
Yeah.
Because I would have gotten 5
How
more
do you reload? I
immediately.
can never figure
And
it
then I
out.
would have got to draw at least once.
Now here's what we do.
Dang it.
We
That's
partner
okay,
up.
you
I've
know?
got the monopoly on the Diamond Empire. You've got the physical.
You know what? I'm
It's
not
like-
sharing with you because I'm shot, but I slunk away with my money
Yeah, I'm
to
buried
go
with
start
my
a new
goods.
life where my wife was shooting me.
I like
Right
how
up.
tactical that game turns
It's
out.
good.
Buried.
It's
Well
good.
done.
It's really important
Only
to keep track
one
of the
death
bank.
and in the last round.
Only one death.
Grabby wins.
Well done, Grabby. By 2
Lindsay,
grand.
very close. Very,
Very close.
If you grabbed a one less diamond in an earlier round, you
Yeah.
probably would have won.
I'm okay though.
Because you had like 3 more than you needed.
Look at this.
Yeah, but there's no way she could have known that she wouldn't need.
She
that
kind of
much.
knew when she had
kinda
4
knew,
and
yeah.
everybody else had 1.
Yeah, but she took 3 ones at the beginning without, like that. They were her first ones with
Yeah.
the ones.
I didn't even know there were
Okay.
higher values. If that's what
Yeah,
you're
and I'm
talking
saying
about.
it was a
Like,
stupid call. That's what I'm saying. Just like shooting.
Damn,
was
I
just
went
stupid.
through.
I'm sorry. What place did you come in?
Third.
That's why.
Good game.
Good game.